this is Esty here, and I once again welcome you all to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to get ready for a wedding, and obviously this is a wedding guest look, so stay tuned to know more about this video. So as usual, we have to start with a primer. So for the primer, I'm using the Max Factor primer, which is always my favorite primer, and I'm going to take a very little amount of my primer and then apply it all over my face. Then I'm using my Kryolan foundation, the Vita Color foundation for my face. I'm going to take a little bit of the foundation and then I'm going to apply it all over my face. So here it goes. Next, I'm going to be using my NYX concealer, and I recently got this concealer. I really love this. So let me just do my, contouring as well as concealing with this. So I'm going to do a different way of highlighting today, and that is I'm just going to make a triangular thing under my eyes so that my eyes are more highlighted and my face gets a very prominent shape. So with so much product, I'm just going to do it on my cupid's bow also here, and on my bridge of my nose, and then here, then here, little bit this side. Just see how much pigmented it is. My jawlines here. And then a little bit this side. A brush, and I'm going to go here on my nose. Now the blending starts, so start blending it properly, guys. If you guys want to know the step-by-step contouring, then what you have to do is I've already done a video related to the contouring, so you have to check my video below. So after contouring, what I'm going to do is I'm just, they are given another color here. As you can see, this is a very shiny one, and you can also use this as a highlighter, and this one is a powder, and you can use it on the under eye areas, but I'm not using this now because I've got other products for this. But let me just give it a try. So I'm just going to take my highlighter brush and then a little bit of this product here and go this side. Wow, it's nice. Actually, it's quite good. It shines a little and it's illuminating. I really love this. Next, I'm going to use my NYX lipstick. My next video. Until then, this is Krish signing out. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon below. This is Krish signing out. Bye bye. Take care.